Next question is, suppose the estimated consumption function for an economy is given by C is equal to 40 plus B into YD, where B is the marginal propensity to consume, Y subscript D denotes the disposable income. We are being given the government expenditure is being given as 90. Tax rate is delta times Y, where delta denotes the tax to real income proportionality factor. That means delta denotes our marginal tax rate. Autonomous investment is 80. The value of beta, which is MPC, is 0.75. The value of delta, that means tax rate, is 0.2, that means 20%. What are the tax revenue and budget surplus of government? We have to find out the tax revenue and budget surplus. Tax revenue, the options are given as TR is equal to 105, budget surplus is 15. Another option is total revenue, yes, tax revenue is 118 and budget surplus is 28. Similarly, we have 110, 20, 125 and 35. Let's try to solve how to find this very question. The solution to this question, we are being given the consumption function C is equal to 40 plus, now the value of beta is, so first let me write it as it is, Y subscript D. This is our consumption function, okay, and we are also being given the value of the variables here. What is our national income GDP equation? What we call our GDP equation looks like this: Y is equal to C plus I plus G. Okay, so consumption plus investment plus government expenditure should be equal to our total income. Okay, this is our consumption function is 40 plus beta is being given us here 0.75, so I can write 0.75. Now this disposable income Y subscript D means our total income, okay, what we call Y minus del Y. Okay, disposable income is that very amount of income which is left after we pay out the tax. Okay, so which is here T. Okay, so when we subtract tax from the total income, we get the disposable income. So we can write it like this: in place of Y subscript D, I can write Y minus del Y. Okay, del denotes the marginal tax rate, plus we have autonomous investment is 80 and government expenditure is 90. So if we try to solve this, this is 40 plus 0.75 y minus the value of delta is 0.2. I can write 0.2 y plus 80 plus 90, which comes out to be 40 plus 0.75. Now if we subtract 0.2 y from y, we will get 0.8 y plus 80 plus 90. This is our y, which means we have 40 plus this 0.75 into 0.8 comes out to be 0.6 y plus 80 plus 90. Okay, so we can write it here. We have y is equal to, so 80 plus 90 plus 40 comes out to be 210. Okay, if we transpose this 0.6y here, so we have y minus 0.6 y is equal to 210, or when we subtract we will get 0.4 y is equal to 210, or y is equal to 210 upon 0.4, which comes out to be 525. This is our equilibrium level of income. Okay, to find the tax rate is tax revenue is simply our tax rate, which is denoted by delta, into equilibrium level of income. So what is the value of delta is 0.2, and the equilibrium level of income which we got here 525, which comes out to be 105. This will be our tax revenue. And what is budget surplus? Budget surplus is simple: what is our tax revenue, to this we subtract the government expenditure. Okay, tax revenue is 105 and government expenditure is being given us as 90, which means our budget surplus will be equal to 15. Okay, thank you.